Good afternoon, teacher. I am the student Sierra Rivera Maria Cristina, and today I will present Academy Product 4, the loss of cultural identity due to globalization. Introduction. Um, the following presentation will discuss a problem that has been seen as a result of globalization. It's already nowadays consists of the growth of different national economies since this process depends on economic growth, technology advance, and human connectivity. As a result of this, it seems a very worrying problem in is the lost national identity since society becomes increasingly similar to each other with the same cultural tastes, fashion, and more. Globalization is a phenomenon that has profoundly transformation the world in recent decades, promoting greater economic, cultural, political, and technology interconnection when, between countries. However, one of the most debated aspects of this process is impact on national identities. I will some main reason why globalization can contribute to the loss of national identity, as well as certain nuances and counterweighs to this idea. Our first point is cultural homogenization, since globalization facilitates the massive dissemination of products, values, and cultural models and dominated by countries with greater economic power. This has led to the widespread adoption of lifestyle, fashion, fast food, entertainment, films, music, series, and otherwise. I think that to replace local traditions. The second point is the predominance of English and the loss of local language. English has established itself as the global language of business, education, and technology, which often displays minority of every national language. As a third point, we have the transformation of traditions. Today, local celebration and tradition can be adapted of the transformation to attracting international tourists, losing part of their original meaning. For example, some traditional festivities becomes more commercial spectacles. Lastly, I think is the most relevant is digitalization and social network, since digital platforms, although they allow greater visibility of local cultures, also promote a uniform global culture. Trends as social media often replicate values of interest that not necessarily reflect traditional cultures. And contribution to the solutions. Preserving national identity is the face of globalization is a challenge that requires coordinated effort of the involvement community and individual levels. I order to preserve it we must create culture. Our 18 we go to awareness campaign, incorporating cultural content in education, no discriminating, and supporting because of tradition, supporting the product, part of local culture. And in conclusion, the loss of national identity is a context of globalization is near an inevitable nor uniform phenomenon. While there is a real reach, there are also opportunities to preserve and adapt a culture identities in the face of global influence. Thanks, teacher, for the attention and good evening.